Alright guys, so these are the ingredients we're going to be using. Here I have 4 pieces of chicken breast, 1 white onion, 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, 1 7.5-ounce can of chipotle peppers in adobo sauce, and some salt and pepper for taste. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and trim off any fat that is on. Now once I've already trimmed my chicken, I'm going to go ahead and give them a really good rinse, and I'm going to go ahead and clean up here. Alright, now once you've already rinsed off your chicken, you want to go ahead and grab a big pot just like this. I'm going to go ahead and fill it up with some water, enough to cover the chicken and just a little bit more. So we're going to go ahead and turn our burner on. Go ahead and add some salt and some pepper. Alright, so now you want to go ahead and grab a deep enough pan, maybe something like this, and we're going to go ahead and add some oil. Ooh, my pan's a little hot there. And while my chicken was boiling, I went ahead and diced up my onion. Okay, so while my onions are cooking, let's go ahead and work on the sauce. So this is where you're going to add your 1 can of tomato sauce. Just make sure that as you're making your sauce to keep an eye on your onions. And now you're going to add your can of chipotle peppers. Everything including the sauce. Now just keep in mind that this can be spicy. So if you're not used to spice, you can go ahead and work with maybe about 1 or 2 at a time to your desired heat level. We're going to add 1 cup of water. And a little bit of pepper. Let's go ahead and put a lid on that. And let's pulse it. So now my onions are nice and soft and translucent. So now we want to go ahead and add our chicken. So once my chicken boiled and cooked, I let them cool down just for a little bit, and I went ahead and shredded the best I could. So let's go ahead and add it to our cooked onions. Go ahead and combine those. Now once you've combined your onion and your chicken, you want to go ahead and add that sauce that you blended. Alright, so let's go ahead and give it a try. Let's go ahead and add a little bit of salt. Okay, so now what I did was I let it get to a boil. Let me go ahead and taste it one more time. So once I let it get to a boil, I'm going to go ahead and simmer it. I'm going to put a lid on it. Alright guys, so basically that's it. You just want to go ahead and put a lid on it and let it simmer maybe for about 10 minutes or so. Basically what you're doing is you're just letting the sauce incorporate with the chicken. This can be served in just a plain flour tortilla. You can make this to make chicken enchiladas. You can make it for tostadas, for chicken tacos. Basically you can eat it however. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.